This is a unique little temple. I had a hard time recalling it exactly. I keep confusing it with the Luxor temple. It's similar in that it has a lot of big round columns, but it's much smaller. It was built in 180 to 47 BC, so it's a newer temple than many of the other things that we have been seeing on this trip. It also is built for two different gods, one of them being the crocodile god, Sobek. Apparently, there were a lot of crocodiles in this area and they were mummified. And there's actually a little museum attached to this temple that have many of the crocodiles. Also, it had a wall of just surgical instruments, which was quite unique, we were told. Enjoy the photos. It's a charming little temple.